Wrist curls are a great exercise for training the forearms and your grip strength. When you perform your wrist curls, you can use a variation of bars. Today, I'm going to be using the easy bar to demonstrate those wrist curls. Make sure that your palms are in line with your shoulders and your palm placement is facing outward, also known as a supinated palm placement. As I perform that wrist curl, I'm going to keep my elbows in line with my shoulders, keep the elbows tight, chest up nice and tall, and I'm just going to slightly curl my wrist, maximize contraction and squeeze, and then bring that barbell all the way back down to the thighs. Soft bend in the elbow, curl the wrist, squeeze, and then bring that barbell back down. So it's a very slight movement. I want to focus more on the contraction in the forearm by curling my wrist up to the ceiling, squeeze, and then back down. As you perform this movement, make sure it is nice and controlled, about 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. This movement is less beneficial if you use light weight and you do a ton of reps. So think heavier, more challenging weight, slower tempo, keeping the forearm under tension just a little bit longer.